Picture this, the sun, our life-giving star, explodes tomorrow. What happens next? The immediate aftermath would be nothing short of apocalyptic. A wave of intense heat and radiation would hurtle towards us, a blinding, scorching flash of light, obliterating everything in its path. Fires would rage, and everything exposed to the sun would be instantly incinerated. But the devastation doesn't stop there. The sun's gravity, the force that keeps us anchored in our orbit, would vanish. Without this gravitational tether, Earth would begin to drift aimlessly into the vastness of space. This would cause a complete disruption of our climate. Imagine temperatures swinging wildly and weather patterns thrown into chaos. In the blink of an eye, our world as we know it would be forever changed. A sun explosion wouldn't just mean a change of scenery, it would mean the end of life as we know it. The immediate impact would be swift, brutal, and utterly catastrophic. But the immediate blast is just the beginning. Let's delve into the long-term consequences. As the dust settles, the first thing we'd notice is darkness. Complete, unending darkness. With the sun gone, there'd be a global blackout. No more sunrises, no more sunsets. Day and night as we know them would be no more. This perpetual night would have devastating effects on plant life. Without sunlight, photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy, would come to a standstill. In the blink of an eye, the lush green forests, the vast fields of crops, every single blade of grass, all would wither and die. This death of plant life would set off a catastrophic chain reaction in the food chain. Herbivores, those creatures that rely on plants for sustenance, would starve. Their decline would, in turn, lead to the downfall of the carnivores that prey on them. In essence, the entire ecosystem would crumble, leading to a mass extinction of life on Earth. But it doesn't stop there. With the sun's warmth gone, Earth's temperature would plummet, plunging our world into a new ice age. The once blue oceans would freeze over, the land would be covered in a thick layer of ice, and any remaining life would face the harsh reality of a frigid, inhospitable world. Our blue planet would turn into a frozen, lifeless rock. Given these catastrophic events, could we possibly survive? Our chances, unfortunately, appear grim. The absence of the sun would mean a lack of the very elements needed to sustain us: food, warmth, and necessary conditions for life. Without the sun, the process of photosynthesis would come to a halt, ending the life cycle of plants, which we depend on for food. No plants mean no food for herbivores, which in turn means no food for carnivores. The entire food chain would collapse, leading us into a global famine. The sun also provides warmth, without which Earth would plunge into a deep freeze. We would be left shivering in the cold, struggling to survive in conditions harsher than the coldest winters we've ever known. Our existence, so deeply intertwined with the sun, would be at the brink of extinction. The sun is more than just a celestial body in the sky. It is the lifeblood of our planet. Without it, life as we know it would cease to exist. Fortunately, the sun exploding tomorrow is virtually impossible. Our sun is a stable star, and it will take billions of years for it to reach the end of its life cycle and evolve into a red giant. Yet imagining such a catastrophic event underlines our deep dependency on the sun and underscores the need to protect our planet. In the grand cosmic scheme, our existence is fragile, hinging on the stability of our sun. So let's appreciate and protect the delicate balance of life on Earth.